everyone, let's crochet this little octopus. This is a great beginner project if you are newer to crochet. It's only one color and we'll go through each step together. I'll be using US terms and I'll have the materials listed up next for you. Okay, let's get started. Take the yarn and the hook. We're going to start by making a magic circle. Wrap the working end of your yarn around your fingers. Cross over the tail end and insert the hook under the yarn closest to your fingertips, then pull the yarn closest to your knuckles through. Turn your hook. Hook the yarn closest to your knuckles. Pull through. Take your fingers out. Yarn over and pull through. Untangle the tail. When you pull the tail, it will cinch closed. Next, single crochet 8 stitches into the magic circle. This will be round 1. 2 single crochet, insert your hook into the magic circle, pull a loop through, you should have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops on your hook. This is 1 single crochet stitch. I'll show one more here, make 8 in total. Then pull the tail to cinch closed. For round 2, we'll single crochet increase. This is 2 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. You should end with 16 total stitches. Single crochet for rounds 3 through 7. For round 8, we will work in the front loops only of round 7. So these are the loops facing us. We'll work 5 half double crochet stitches into 1 stitch. 2 half double crochet, yarn over, and insert your hook into the stitch. Pull a loop through. You should now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull that loop through all 3 loops on your hook. This is 1 half double crochet stitch. So repeat this 4 more times in 1 stitch. Then slip stitch into the next by inserting your hook into the stitch and pulling the loop up straight through the loop on your hook. We'll repeat this pattern around of 5 half double crochet into 1 stitch and then a slip stitch until we have 8 of our tentacles. Fasten off into the last stitch with a slip stitch and chain 1. Chain 1 by yarning over and pulling a loop straight through the loop on your hook. Cut here. Put the safety eyes between rounds 4 and 5. Make sure you're reading the directions for your safety eyes so they're properly secured. Let's make the bottom piece. Make a magic circle. For the first round, single crochet 8 stitches into the magic circle. I'll show a couple here. Then pull the tail to cinch closed. For round 2, we will increase, so 2 single crochet stitches into 1 and we'll end with 16 stitches. Then fasten off with a slip stitch and chain 1. Cut leaving a tail. We're going to sew it on the body. Leave about 5 inches. We'll use the yarn needle and tail to attach the bottom to the back loops from round 7. I'm just securing by going through each loop, leaving an opening so we can stuff it. Pull your stuffing apart and fill gradually. Now let's finish closing. Secure with a double knot. Weave in the end. Then trim the tail, and we are done. That is it for this pattern. I'm gonna go crochet about 80 more of these and watch Bridgerton. Okay, bye.